Welcome to Gasoline Alley Speedshop. Here we have the first WormBurner frame made by Hard Up Choppers back in 2009. Some people believe it was a game changer because you couldn't get a hardtail reasonably priced frame at the time, so it's a bit iconic in the world. This bike came to us from a customer who had hunted it down. He specifically wanted the first WormBurner frame ever made. It was in a bit of a sorry state when we got her, but he sent it down from Scotland, and we have now finished her with all her new artwork which he designed and we got done. It's got all of its real original items except the bars have been changed over the years. We have had this bike completely apart with tidying up the frame. The frame, by the way, is a much thicker gauge steel tube than we use now, so it weighs a fair bit. We've had the engine apart and put a big bore kit in it, so it's a 1220 cc. All the frame's been powder coated, forks have been rebuilt, and probably most importantly of all, Jake's done a splendid job on the rewire with some real trick motor gadget switches. I mean, the detail in this artwork, if you could get some real close-ups of all around on the tank, the battery box, top of he
so close as well.
Designed this.
Yeah.
Like the customer
had
an idea in his head and then transferred that to the artwork.